Good morning children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about the what is the use of decimals. Okay, you can use the decimal system in conversion of money and metric measures. To conversion of money and metric measures, we are using the decimals. So what is money, you know? Money to rupees to pies, pies to rupees, it is one conversion. So what are metric measures? Length, capacity and weight. Length, capacity and weight. So first we are here money values. First we are converting money. So 100 pies is equal to 1 rupee. So 1 rupee is equal to how many pies? 100 pies. 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. 1 pies is equal to 1 by 100 rupees. That means 1 pies is divided into 1 by 100 parts. It is divided into 100 parts. So 1 by 100. So is equal to 0.01. 0.01. Now in that first one is convert into rupees. We have to convert into rupees. 85 pies. 85 pies we have to convert into rupees. 1 pies is equal to 1 by 100 rupees. So 85 pies. 85 by 100 rupees. 85 by 100. 85 by 100. In the denominator here 2 zeros are there. So we should put 2 numbers before point. 1, 2 numbers. So the answer is rupees. Here 5. Here 8. Point. Point before there is no number. We should take it as 0. So rupees 0.85. 85 pies. Rupees 0.85. Next one 32 rupees 4 pies. 32 rupees 4 pies. So this 32 rupees how we can write? Rupees 32 plus 4 pies. 1 pies 1 by 100 rupees. 4 pies. Rupees 4 by 100. 4 by 100. 1 by 100 is equal to 0.01 number. So 4 by 100 is equal to 0.04. So rupees 32 plus rupees 0.04. So add these two rupees 32.04. 32.04. 32 rupees 4 pies is equal to rupees 32.04. Next one 28 rupees 65 pies. 28 rupees 28 plus 65 pies. 1 pies is equal to 1 by 100 rupees. Number 65 pies. Rupees 65 by 100. 65 by 100. So rupees 28 plus here denominator 2 zeros. Then we should put 2 numbers before point. Here 5, 6.0. Rupees 0.65. Now add this to 28 plus 0.65. Rupees 28.65. Rupees 28.65. So while we are conversion money, 100 pies is equal to 1 rupee. 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. 1 pies is equal to rupees 1 by 100 is equal to 0.01. Rupees 0.01. Next one is measure of length. We should measure the length one. So 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. Here in the denominator 2 zeros are there. So we should put in the numerator 2 numbers before point. So 1, 2 numbers before point. Here only 1 number is there. Here there is no other number. We should take it as 0. Here 0. So the answer is 0.01 meters. 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meters. So 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. 1 centimeter is equal equal to 1 by 100 meters is equal to 0.01 meters. Next, 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. Here in the denominator 3 zeros are there. We should put 3 numbers before point. But only one number is there, 1. Remaining 2 zeros we have to take 0, 0 point. Here point before there is no number, we should take it as 0. So 0.001 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers or 0.001 kilometers. First one, convert into meters. We have to converting into meters. 8 centimeters. So we have to convert these into meters first. So 8 centimeters. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. So 8 centimeters. 8 by 100 meters. 8 by 100 meters. Here 2 zeros. So we should put 2 numbers before point in the numerator. Here only one number, it is 8. Another number we should take it as 0. Before point again 0. 0.08 meters. 0.08 meters. Next one, 25 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. No? So 25 centimeters. 25 by 100 meters. 25 by 100 meters. So in the denominator 2 zeros. So we should put 2 numbers before point in the numerator. So 5, 2, here point 0. So the answer is 0.25 meters. Next, 10 meters 48 centimeters. 10 meters 48 centimeters. So 10 meter plus 48 centimeter, how we should write? 48 by 100 meters. So 10 meters plus 48 by 100. So 0.48 meters. So 10 meter plus 0.48 meters. Add these two. 10.48 meters. 10.48 meters. Next one, 15 meter 6 centimeters. So here 15 meter plus 6 by 100 meters. 6 centimeters 6 by 100 meters. So 15 meter plus 6 by 100, how we should write? 0.06 meters. So 15 meter plus 0.06 meters. 15.06 meter. So the answer is 15.06. This one is convert into kilometers. Convert into kilometers. So 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers is equal to 0.001 kilometers. So here first 40 kilometer 35 meters. So 40 kilometer plus 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. So 35 meters, 35 by 1000 kilometers. 35 by 1000 kilometers. So 40 kilometer plus here denominator 3 zeros. So we should put 3 numbers before point. 5, 3, 0, point. Point before there is no number, we should take it as 0. 0.035 kilometer. Now add these to 40 plus 0.035. 40.035 kilometer. 40.035 kilometer. Next, 9 kilometer 48 meter. Same, 9 kilometer plus 48 by 1000 meters. 48 by 1000 meters. So 9 kilometers plus 48 by 1000. 3 zeros, so 3 numbers before point. 8, 4. Only 2 numbers we should take 0 as another number. 0.0 kilometer. So the answer is 9 kilometer plus 0.048 kilometer. 9.048 kilometer. 9 kilometer 48 meters. 9.048 kilometer. Next 5 kilometer 486 meters. So 5 kilometer plus 486 meter. 486 by 1000 kilometers. 486 by 1000 kilometers. So 5 kilometer plus 486 by 1000. 3 zeros, so 3 numbers before point. 6, 8, 4.0. So 0.486 kilometer. So 5 kilometer plus 0.486 kilometers. 5.486 kilometers. 5.486 kilometer. Next one is measure of weight. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg is equal to 0.001 kg. 0.001 kg. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. So 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg is equal to 0.001 kg. Convert into kilograms. So 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg number. So 9 grams 9 by 1000 kg. 9 by 1000 kg. So here denominator 3 zeros, we should put 3 numbers before point. Here 1 number 9, remaining 2 numbers we should write zeros. 0.0. So the answer is 0.009 kg. So 15 grams. So again we have to convert into kilograms. 15 by 1000 kg. 15 by 1000 kg. Here also we should put 3 numbers before point, but only 2 numbers in the numerator. 5, 1. One more number we should take 0. Here 0.0. 0.015 kg. Next 248 grams. So here also we have to convert into kilograms. 248 by 1000. 248 by 1000 kg. 248 by 1000 kg. So 3 zeros. So 3 numbers before point. 8, 4, 2 before point. Here 0. 0.248 kg. 0.248 kg. Next 5 kg 346 grams. So 5 kg plus 5 kg plus 346 grams. How we should write? 346 by 1000 kg. So here denominator 3 zeros. So 3 numbers before point. 5 kg plus 346 by 1000. 3 numbers before point. So 0.346 kg. So add these two. 5 plus 0.346. 5.346 kg. 5.346 kg. Next 16 kg 9 grams. 16 kg plus 9 grams. 9 by 1000. 9 by 1000 kg. 9 by 1000 kg. Denominator 3 zeros. So 3 numbers before point. So 16 kg plus, but 1 number in the numerator, remaining 2 numbers we should write zeros. 9, 0, 0, here 0.0. 0.009 kg. So 16 kg plus 0.009 kg. Both add 16.009 kg. Measure of capacity. 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liters. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liters is equal to 0.001 liters. 0.001 liters. So convert into liters. So 6 milliliters. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liters. 6 milliliters. 6 by 1000 liters. 6 by 1000 liters. Here denominator 3 zeros, so we should put 3 numbers before point. Only one number remaining, 2 numbers we should write zeros before point 0. So the answer is 0.006 liters. 6 milliliters is equal to 0.006 liters. Next 32 milliliters. 32 by 1000 liters. 32 by 1000 liters. So here denominator 3 zeros, so we should put 3 numbers before point. So here 2, 3, 0, 0.0. So the answer is 0.032 liters. 0.032 liters. Next 65 liter, 125 milliliter. 65 liter, 125 milliliter. 65 liters write as it is. Plus 125 milliliters, 125 by 1000 liters. 125 by 1000 liters. So here denominator 3 zeros, so we should put 3 numbers before point. 65 liters plus 3 numbers before point, 0.125 liters. 65 liter plus 0.125 liters is equal to 65.125 liters. 65.125 liters. Next 16 liter, 15 milliliter. 16 liter plus 15 milliliters, 15 by 1000 liters. 15 by 1000 liters. So 16 liters plus 15 by 1000. So 3 zeros, 3 numbers before point. 5, 1, 0.0. So 0.015 liters. So 16 plus 0.015, 16 plus 0, 16.015 liter.